Hi guys, what I wanted to do today, while it's really nice out here, is just to give you an idea of the sound on the exhaust system that I've got here. As I said previously, it's an M Performance exhaust, which is, I think it's an added extra, but obviously it's a BMW spec one. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and going to go from cold start up, and then switch it into different modes so you can hear the actual sound from it, which is absolutely awesome, really loud, and it gives you some really lovely burbles on it. Okay, so this is the exhaust system as previously shown. I don't think you can see under there quite, or you might be able to. It's the M Performance exhaust with the carbon fibre tailpipes. Now I'm just going to ask Josh to start it up. This is cold start. Okay, Josh. Okay, that's the sound of it. Okay, really loud actually on the Sports and Sports Plus. Don't know whether you'll get the best from it on the videos on the phone, but yeah, really impressed with it. Hope you liked it. Let me know, and we can maybe do another one, maybe in a better place with a little bit of an echo or something. Okay, see you soon.